Hey there! Today, we're diving even deeper into the fascinating world of the cow's milk industry, unearthing more captivating facts and shedding light on the impact of milk consumption on our health. Get ready for an extended exploration that will leave you pondering the choices you make regarding dairy. The making of a milk cow. To truly appreciate the journey of milk, let's delve into the history of how humans first domesticated cows for milk production. This remarkable practice dates back thousands of years, with ancient civilizations realizing the nutritional value of cow's milk. Over time, humans honed their methods, eventually leading to the establishment of dairy farming as we know it today. Selective breeding and fertility issues. While selective breeding has contributed to increased milk yields, it's important to note that this has also given rise to a host of concerns. The pursuit of higher production has led to cows being prone to fertility issues, requiring intensive veterinary care to maintain their reproductive health. This presents a paradoxical situation where cows are bred for milk, yet suffer from compromised fertility. Did you know that in certain regions of the world, people do not consume cow's milk as a dietary staple? In many Asian countries, such as China and Japan, traditional diets have historically relied on alternative sources of calcium, like soy-based products and seafood. This unique cultural approach to nutrition challenges the assumption that cow's milk is essential for strong bones. Concerns from advocates and veterinarians, advocates for animal welfare and veterinarians worldwide are increasingly raising their voices against the routine use of hormones and antibiotics in dairy farming. These practices not only impact the cow's health, but also have potential implications for human health due to the transfer of these substances through the milk we consume. Unnatural insemination, the process of artificial insemination, while efficient, brings to light the ethical implications surrounding reproductive autonomy for cows. This invasive procedure disrupts the natural reproductive behaviors of these animals, highlighting the complex interplay between human intervention and the well-being of cows. Separating calves from their mothers. The practice of separating calves from their mothers shortly after birth has profound effects on both the emotional well-being of the cows and the development of the calves. Studies have shown that calves reared in isolation experience increased stress levels and may face challenges in socialization later in life. Cruel treatment of calves beyond dehorning, which we previously discussed. Calves often endure other distressing procedures such as tail docking and confinement in small spaces. These practices not only inflict physical pain, but also contribute to long-term psychological distress in these young animals. Emotional distress of cows. Cows, much like humans, have complex emotional lives. Their strong maternal instincts, combined with the separation from their calves and the unnatural environments they inhabit, contribute to ongoing emotional distress. This distress can manifest in behaviors like excessive vocalization, pacing, and withdrawal. The suffering of calves. The diets fed to calves, often designed to maximize growth and milk production, may lack essential nutrients and lead to anemia. This not only affects their health, but also robs them of the chance to experience a vibrant and energetic youth. Never-ending milking. Consider the toll that constant milking takes on a cow's body. The repeated cycles of lactation without adequate rest can lead to physical exhaustion, contributing to the overall decline in the cow's health and well-being. Nutritional aspects of cow's milk. Cow's milk is often touted for its nutritional value, particularly its rich content of calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone health. However, it's worth noting that not everyone can fully digest lactose, the sugar found in milk. Lactose intolerance is a common condition, especially among certain populations, such as Asians, African Americans, and Native Americans. Alternative milk options. In recent years, the market for alternative milk options has expanded dramatically. Plant-based milk substitutes, such as almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, and coconut milk, have gained popularity due to their lactose-free and vegan-friendly nature. These alternatives offer a variety of flavors and nutritional profiles, catering to diverse dietary needs. Raw milk controversy. Raw milk, which is unpasteurized and unprocessed, has its own set of proponents and opponents. While some claim that raw milk retains more nutrients and enzymes, health experts emphasize the potential risks associated with consuming unpasteurized milk, including exposure to harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Dairy farming practices around the world. The production of cow's milk is a global phenomenon, but practices vary widely from country to country. In some European countries, cows are often grazed on lush pastures, contributing to the distinct flavor of their milk. In contrast, factory farming practices in certain regions prioritize high yields at the expense of animal welfare. The history of cheese making. Did you know that cheese making is believed to date back thousands of years? The process of fermenting milk to create cheese allowed ancient societies to preserve dairy products for longer periods. Over time, cheese-making techniques have evolved, leading to the incredible diversity of cheeses available today. Calcium sources beyond milk. While cow's milk is a prominent source of calcium, it's not the only option for maintaining strong bones. Leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as fortified foods like orange juice and cereals, provide alternative sources of calcium for those who choose to limit their dairy intake. Ethical dairy farming practices. It's important to highlight that not all dairy farming operations follow conventional methods. Some farmers prioritize ethical and sustainable practices, such as providing cows with access to open pastures, minimizing the use of antibiotics and hormones, and ensuring proper living conditions. As we wrap up this extended exploration into the world of cow's milk, we've journeyed through history, culture, nutrition, and ethical considerations. The complexity of this topic invites us to reflect on the multifaceted choices we make when it comes to our diets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.